Good morning, all the students. How are you all? I hope you all are very well. Standard 6th, subject English. Chapter number 6, What a Wonderful World. So, all the students, please open your English textbook, page number 45. Activity 1. What a wonderful world. So, first of all, you all have to understand with me carefully, and then you have to complete workbook exercise about this chapter. So, let's start about unit number 6, What a Wonderful World. Let's start. Curiouser and curiouser, cried Alice. She was so much surprised that for the moment she quite forgot how to speak good English. Now I am opening out like a largest telescopes that ever was. Goodbye feet, for when she looked down at her feet, they seemed to be almost out of sight. They were getting so far off. This is a concept from chapter number 2 of very famous fantasy book Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Here the girl is very much surprised too, exclaims curiouser and curiouser. She is saying goodbye to her feet, parting from her. Oh, my poor little feet, I wonder who will put on your shoes and stocking for you now, dear. I am sure I should not be able. I shall be a great deal too far off to trouble myself about you. You must manage the best way you can, but I must be kind of them, thought Alice. Or perhaps they would not walk the way I want to go. Let me see. I will give them a new pair of boots every Christmas. She seems to be very caring about her feet and feels sorry worrying who will take care of her feet when they are away from her, and who will put in their shoes and stocking for them. She thinks that they will have to manage to look after themselves, and she wishes to gift them a new pairs of boots every Christmas. Okay, and she went on planning to herself how she would manage it. They must go by the carrier, she thought, and how funny I will seem sending parents to one's own feet, and how odd the direction will look. She is thinking seriously how she can send those boots, and she may send them by a freight carrier, and she thinks it would be funny and send parents to her own feet. The direction will look really odd. So, clear, this is a story of one girl named Alice, and she is very much surprised about things. So, here the complete activity 1. I hope you all are understand very well. Then Wonderland is full of surprise. Imagine you are Alice. What parents will you send to your feet? Answer is that Alice parts with her own feet. She is saying goodbye to them, And then second, write the direction that you would put on your parents. First question जो है, what parents will you send to your feet? I will send different kinds of shoes and stocking for my feet. I will also send moisturizing cream so that they do not get dry. And then second question is that write the direction that you would put on your parents. Go out with full stockings on, put on shoes matching with the dress, and take care when you put the high heeled shoes, and apply the cream is not let to dry and cold. Okay, then go for the next activity, that is activity number 4. 2 or 3 are skipped. Read the text. Soaping to feed 650 different species of animals in hard work, but that is the task of keepers at one of the world's most famous London Zoo. Founded in 1828, was the first zoo to be established as a scientific center and was opened in public in 1847. Below is the zoo's basic shopping list for a year 2005. अब यहाँ पे क्या बताया गया है कि शॉपिंग टू फीड 650 different species of animals is hard work, but here is the task of the keepers at one of the world most famous London Zoo. कब फाउंड हुआ था? 1828 में. Was first zoo is established as a scientific center. First opening in public in 1847. You remember it. Below is the zoo's basic shopping list for a year 2005. Food जो यहाँ पे सब दिया गया है वो हम देख सकते हैं. फूड है बनानास, एप्पल्स, स्ट्रो यानी कि घास के जो ऐसे तणखले होते हैं वो हम देख सकते हैं. है मीन्स ड्राई ग्रास. उसके बाद फिश, फूड पेट्स, कैरेट्स, मीट, ऑरेंज, ग्रेप्स, पोटैटोज, टोमेटोज, हनी, एग्स, lettuce, cabbage and milk litters. Okay. And then upon it filling the following table: food, fruits, vegetables and animals product. Combined weight in tons. वो आपको ऑन सेल्फ फिलअप करना है अबाउट दिस एक्टिविटी. अपॉन दिस फोर्थ एक्टिविटी you have to complete next table and next exercise. Then go for the activity 6 in the next video. Thank you.